Hello, it's Cassie here with Trinity Stamps, and I'm excited to be sharing a product release video for the Sweet Summer Celebration release. Today we're going to be taking a closer look at the ice cream cone die set. This ice cream cone die set contains 6 dies to piece together for the perfect ice cream cone. The cone and ice cream feature debossed details. The assembled ice cream cone measures approximately 3.2 inches by 4.4 inches. Stack multiple scoops for a fun slimline card. All right, let's take a look at a card I made. I made a 5x7 card using our ice cream cone die set. And now let's take a look at some of the cards that were made by our design team. Be sure to check out all that Trinity Stamps has going on over on their blog, Facebook page, and Instagram for more crafty inspiration. Thanks for stopping by, and I hope you have a great day.